Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to zoom in on this laptop. So to do that, we'll have to open the on-screen magnifier. You can do this simply by using the Windows plus shortcut. So Windows key plus the plus key, and you will see a bar like this on your screen. Now, using these two icons, plus and minus, you can adjust the level of the zoom. Using these two icons, you can reset the level of the zoom. By tapping this play button, you can read the text from the screen. Using this icon, we can select the specific place from which we want to start reading. In settings, we can change the speed of the magnifier from slow to fast, and we can also change the voice of the reader. We can go to the settings of the magnifier from here, or if you want to know how to do this in a normal way, you can open the start menu, then settings, then accessibility, and here find the magnifier tab. In the magnifier tab, you can also enable the magnifier by switching this toggle right here. You can change the zoom level and the increment, and you can change the view and change the settings for each view. Now you just seen the full screen view. Now let me show you the docked view. So the docked magnifier looks like this, and the last option, which is the lens magnifier, looks like this. Now it sometimes lags on slow computers. Okay, and now to change the settings for each magnifier, you have to expand the view tab, and in view tab, for example, for the lens magnifier, you can change the lens size by adjusting the size of the width and the height of the lens, and this way you can adjust it to your needs. Now for docked magnifier, you can make it follow your mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor, or narrator cursor, and now it follows all of them. And for the full screen magnifier, you have the very same option that we had as for the docked magnifier, but if you scroll down, you'll find two additional options which allow you to keep your mouse pointer and the text cursor either centered on the screen or within the edges on the screen. Now if I center the mouse pointer on the screen, it will look like this. So I hope you get the idea. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.